going to put a texture on, I would have put it on before I cut it, because the texture is going to warp it or squeeze it a little, you know, and won't matter so much with this one, but okay.
Right on.
Oh yeah. Of course.
I just love the meme where there's like a door and someone taped a piece of cardboard to it, and the cardboard said, "Whoever it was that took my X-Acto knife better bring it back." And then someone cut out the words, "It was me," with the X-Acto knife on another piece of cardboard and just taped it underneath. It's a stupid joke, but it makes me laugh every time I see it. It was me!
So, these pieces here,
David.
okay, are, I'm going to just throw them into the water for now and wrap them in a big ball. And that's what I want to worry about, wedging it and getting all the bubbles.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
That's why if we were going to do a time-elapse thing, which I'd like to do, we have to like set the camera in a place, or set the phone in a place where it can be.
Yeah. Excuse me.
No worries. I'm getting better at this cameraman stuff. I am by no means an expert, but still. Learning.
Yeah. Okay. Just throw it in the bucket over there.
Here, cut it right there, and this. In the bucket.
Yeah, and then later on I'll
Just,
there we go.
Gotcha.
Wedge it up and down to the top. Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll just, for the sake of time efficiency, I'll just go ahead and make a bottom that is going to be 3 inches. Okay.
Trying to stay out of your way. Ah, the triangle. You thought you were done with it with geometry class. Nope.
Oops. Shouldn't have started cutting before I had the measurements marked.
Oh.
How dumb.
Math. It creeps into every aspect of human life. It really does.
And okay.
Oh no! I'll grab it in a minute. No, I don't want to move. I was at a really good angle. Stupid Gravity ruining all our plans. Putting everything down on the ground.
Okay.
Alright. And that's like the fancy top.
Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is make a jar out of it instead of a bottle.
Oh, okay.
You know, I was very much into the.
You're feeling the jar, but now you changed your mind mid creation. I understand.
Well, I did a whole year. I did amphora wannabes, and
Hey, as long as they sell.
yeah, I don't sell them anymore. I give them.
Oh, yeah, you do. Thank you.
It saved me a fortune on Christmas.
It does. Hey, everybody's happy to get them.
Okay.
Beth was overjoyed with the moai. She loved that.
Oh, she should get another one.
She should come here and make one. We could teach Willow. It'll be great. We'll have you having classes in no time. How much is your class? It's $75. It's for 3 weeks. Great. Get out of your way. Well, maybe for beginners, but if you had advanced
I got a little
people.
old for that now, but at one time that was my. I had wanted to do that.
Set up a little shop and.
No, well, I was in the higher education system at the time.
Oh, gotcha.
So that was kind of.
Nope.
Can I use this? Is this big enough? No, I better put it back. I'll put that away.
The higher education system.
And, I had written a little syllabus of what my class would be and all of that. But, this friend of mine's girlfriend was in a similar path. But I had gone with art. And she had gone with education.
Oh.
And I had to write term papers and she didn't.
Wait a minute.
The requirements for a degree in education, primary education, or whatever it was, with a minor in art versus a major in art and a minor.
Oh, okay.
So I had to do a lot of classes that she
didn't have to do because.
Well, I'm sure.
Later in the end,
I'm sure she had to do like child psychology and
all that
shit
fun.
that I didn't have to do. But,
Yeah.
But yeah, it seemed. Wait a minute.
How come?
Her path is shorter.
Hold on.
How wet are these guys? They're still pretty flexible. It's still a little wetter than maybe it would be. Oh, I should have saved a piece from it.
Is there still time? Can you pull it out of the bucket?
Yep.
Can you save him, Doctor?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, I didn't think of it, but I'm going to need feet. Sometimes, in fact, a lot of times feet is just a nice little ball, but sometimes you want to get into feet.
Sometimes.
It just over. Okay, I'll set this over here. It's not a super warm day, so it might take a while for these to get to a position of sufficient stiff enough to put it together. Might take
Mm.
Okay.
The process.
Yeah, we gotta let them. Yeah, they gotta sit for a while to stiffen up a little bit.
Okay.
So if we can come back in about,
So this is the end of part 2.
or just the beginning of part 2.
This the begin. This is the end of part 1. Okay.
Maybe it's the end. I don't know. After they've dried out a little bit,
Then we'll.
I can go ahead and cut them now.
Oh, okay. Glad it didn't stop.
Since you've got the camera now.
Well, as long as the clay's ready, right? I mean, that's.
Well, it's still a little.
You got a hair in there.
Yeah. That's actually, I should just let it burn out.
So you're scoring it basically.
I'm cutting it at a 45-degree angle. The clay is a little bit wet still to be scored.
Oh, okay.
So, and as far as that hair goes, yeah, I've made more problem by trying to dig it out than if I had just let it burn out. Okay. Let's trade.
So if all the sides are at a 45-degree angle, they'll fit snugly together in theory.
In theory, anyway. Yeah.
In theory.
Yeah, it doesn't always work that way.
No.
But
So I said in theory.
yeah.
There's always room for
In
excitement.
in our normal summertime, this would take not long at all, right? In fact, very often in the normal summertime, it dries out faster than I would like. But
Now, do the bottoms have to be in a 45-degree angle?
no,
too,
because that's going to fit on flat.
Oh, okay.
And the top is going to be open for now because I'm going to put what I throw tomorrow onto it.
Okay.
So that is definitely step 3, the throwing.
So, all right, watching you do this is cathartic.
Yeah.
Sure. Like we were talking about, like the mowing of the lawns, and the he's cutting the clay.
Well, you were talking about the white noise aspect. I had a friend who burnt out hair dryers, and I'm going, "You're buying a new hair dryer? What's going on?" And he leaves them on at night for the white noise.
Yeah.
So finally, we got him a little 10-gallon pump, a 10-gallon aquarium with no fish and a pump. And the pump pumped the bubbling water all night long.
And that allowed him to sleep.
Yeah.
Hmm?
He was from New York, by the way.
Yeah, he needed constant noise to have.
Well, actually,
like my cousin Vinny.
He was from Buffalo, but yeah, still.
Buffalo's still big. I mean, it's
Still,
not. That's too funny. Clay made a video for his miniatures. I'm very happy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he got over the third video he made got over 2,000
No kidding.
views.
About his minis?
About the Warhammer minis, yeah. So, bonus on him.
Is that what he does at the shows?
No. It's more of just the hobby. He doesn't even really play Warhammer. I mean, he knows all about it from researching it and buying all the toy packages, but it's, relaxing and calming. And
I was into painting the miniatures.
Oh, hey, yeah, we should do that still. Is this also going in this is all the pieces you cut off?
That's going to go
like you said, to be thrown.
In a different step. This I will let dry out. When this is full, I'll dry it out. I'll take the roller, get it all into a powder, and reconstitute it back into slip.
Back into clay? Oh, slip.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's one of the two ways I get slip.
Yummy.
This-
Gross.
This is the glue of the project. So
It's just
and it's
really
nice.
moist clay.
It's nice.
Moist.
Yeah. Well, the best way to get it is off your hands when you're throwing.
Oh, really?
That slip is the smoothest. But
All right. Oh, yep. Keep it done.
clean tool.
Clean tool. That's all that matters, kids.
Okay. So
All right. So we're done for now for this project.
well, I still will want to put them up. Okay. So when they're dry enough.
Okay, we're gonna let these dry and be back and back for the next part.
Yeah.